Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here with another episode of Blogging 101. This is going to be a very short episode. I'm going to be answering this question. How frequently should you be blogging? This is one question that gets asked a lot by young bloggers who start out blogging and they don't know when to blog or how much to blog. So let me share my experience. When I started off blogging back in 2005, I started writing almost every day because I didn't have any apprehensions, I didn't have any inhibitions on what to write and what not to write. I just wrote whatever came in my mind, like restaurant reviews or phone gadget reviews or software reviews and all kinds of stuff. Movies I watched. So I didn't have any apprehensions on what to write and what not to write. So that was a huge advantage for me. You don't have to do that. What I would suggest you do is find out who your audience is and find out what is the kind of demand for your topic. For example, if you're writing a gossip blog, like a Bollywood related gossip or in a movie related blog, then I would assume that you need to have daily articles, like 3 or 4 articles a day is kind of a must in that niche because people need more and more juicy stories. But at the same time, if you're writing a personal finance blog, you don't have to have that kind of frequency. You can do maybe one article every other day, or maybe 3 or 4 articles a week, or even lesser than that. That's fine, because there the quality of the articles is what matters. So look into what kind of audience you have, what kind of topics you're dealing with, and whatever frequency you stick to. For example, you find out that you only need to write 3 articles a week. Stick to that frequency because that defines your consistency, and consistency makes a big impact. Like for example, on YouTube videos, if you consistently produce videos, that gives you a lot of mileage. I'm assuming, and there's no known record for this, but I'm assuming that even for search engines like Google and Yahoo, consistency is something they rely upon. Like if somebody is not serious with blogging, they probably would not be consistent. They would take huge gaps in between and be blogging only once a while. And that is a clear signal to the search engines that, oh, this guy is probably not serious about what he's doing. But if it's a serious blogger, then he would be obviously publishing our content on regular intervals of time. So consistency matters. Whatever frequency you find out is good for your audience, for yourself, for the topics you're dealing with, stick to it. If it's daily, blog daily. If it's weekly, make sure you stick to it. And if you're away from your computer, for example, if you're going on a vacation or something like that, make sure you have something queued up for that particular time so that your audience is not disappointed. So that's the most important part. Whatever frequency you stick to, stick to it and be consistent. Otherwise, there's no formula on how much you should be writing or what is the frequency you should be blogging. All right, I hope that makes sense. You learned something from the video, I hope. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, ask me on hi@manikarthik.com. That's hi@manikarthik.com, or ask in the comments. See ya.